Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news from Apple. They announced the latest addition to their lineup on February 19th, the iPhone 16e. Let's dive into what this new device has to offer. First off, the iPhone 16e comes in two elegant finishes, black and white. It's designed with a durable aerospace-grade aluminum enclosure, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily life. Featuring a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, the iPhone 16e delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, making your content look stunning. Under the hood, it's powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, ensuring smooth performance and efficiency for all your tasks. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 48-megapixel Fusion camera, which includes a 2x telephoto lens. This setup allows you to capture high-resolution photos and 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Battery life has seen a significant boost. Apple claims the iPhone 16e offers up to 6 hours longer battery life than the iPhone 11 and 12 hours more than previous iPhone SE models. One notable addition is the customizable action button. This feature lets you quickly access your favorite functions with a simple press. Apple has also transitioned to a USB-C port with the iPhone 16e, aligning with universal charging standards. Now let's talk pricing. The iPhone 16e starts at $599 for the 128GB model, with 256GB and 512GB options available at $699 and $899, respectively. Pre-orders began on February 21st, with general availability starting February 28th. If you're in the market for a new iPhone that balances performance and affordability, the iPhone 16e might be the perfect choice. That's all for today's quick overview of the iPhone 16e. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest content. Thanks for watching.